Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something incredibly important for our overall well-being, our spinal health. Think about it. Your spine is the central pillar of your body. It supports you, helps you stand tall, allows you to move freely, and keeps you active in your daily life. Unfortunately, with our modern lifestyles, long hours sitting at a desk, hunching over our phones, and maybe not getting enough movement, many of us experience back pain, stiffness, and discomfort. It's a super common problem, but the good news is, there's a lot we can do about it. So, in this video, I'm going to share some simple, effective spinal exercises you can do right at home. No special equipment needed. Ready to give your spine some love? Let's get started. First things first, we need to warm up. A good warm-up prepares your muscles and gets your body ready for movement, which helps prevent injury. You can do this either sitting or standing, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Let's start by rolling our shoulders. Gently roll them forward a few times. And now let's reverse that and roll them backward. Feel that gentle release. Next, let's focus on the neck. Slowly and gently, tilt your head from one side to the other, as if you're trying to touch your ear to your shoulder. Don't force it. Now let's do a few gentle nods, looking up towards the ceiling and then tucking your chin down to your chest. This simple sequence helps to wake up your spine and prepare the surrounding muscles for the exercises we're about to do. All right, for our first exercise, we're doing the classic cat-cow stretch. This is fantastic for spinal flexibility. Come down onto your hands and knees, creating a tabletop position with your back flat. Make sure your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. As you take a deep breath in, drop your belly towards the floor, arch your back, and lift your head and tailbone up towards the ceiling. This is your cow pose. Feel that nice stretch. As you exhale, do the opposite. Round your spine upwards like an angry cat, tucking your chin towards your chest. That's your cat pose. Let's flow between these two poses with our breath. Inhale for cow, exhale for cat. Repeat this about 10 to 12 times. This movement is wonderful for waking up the spine and relieving any built-up tension. Next up, the seated spinal twist. This one is amazing for releasing lower back stiffness and improving your spine's rotational mobility. Sit on the floor with both legs extended straight out in front of you. Now bend your right knee and place your right foot on the outside of your left thigh. Place your right hand on the floor behind you for support, like a little kickstand. Now bring your left elbow to the outside of your bent right knee. Take a big inhale to lengthen your spine, sitting up as tall as you can. As you exhale, gently twist your torso to the right. Hold this stretch for about 15 to 20 seconds, breathing deeply. Then slowly unwind and switch sides. Remember, the twist should come from your core, not from forcing your neck. Moving on to exercise number 3, the bridge pose. This is a great move for strengthening your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings, all of which provide crucial support for your spine. Lie flat on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Your arms should be resting by your sides with your palms facing down. Now pressing firmly through your feet. Slowly lift your hips up off the floor until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds, and then slowly lower your hips back down to the floor, one vertebra at a time. Let's repeat this 8 to 10 times. Feel how this strengthens the entire posterior chain that supports your spine. For our fourth exercise, we're doing the Cobra Stretch. This is an excellent way to open up the chest, strengthen the spine, and counteract all that slouching we do during the day. Lie face down on your mat with your legs extended behind you. Place your palms flat on the floor directly under your shoulders. On an inhale, gently press through your hands to lift your chest off the floor. Keep your hips on the ground and your elbows slightly bent. Look straight ahead and feel the stretch in your abdomen and the gentle compression in your lower back. Hold this pose for 15 to 20 seconds, breathing steadily. Then, exhale and slowly lower your chest back down. This is a fantastic way to improve posture and reduce back stiffness. And finally, to cool down and give our spine a wonderful release, we'll finish with child's pose. This is a restorative posture that gently stretches the entire back, hips, and shoulders. From a kneeling position, sit back on your heels. Then, fold forward, stretching your arms out in front of you and lowering your chest towards the floor. Rest your forehead on the mat. Just relax here, breathing deeply into your back. Allow all the tension to melt away. Stay in this calming position for about 20 to 30 seconds. It's the perfect way to end our spinal health routine. And that's a wrap. See how easy that was? These simple spinal exercises can help you maintain flexibility, reduce pain, and dramatically improve your posture over time. The best part is, you don't need any equipment, and it only takes 5 to 7 minutes a day to make a huge difference. Consistency is key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and fitness content. Take care of your spine, because a healthy spine truly means a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.